Dear learner, in our previous lecture we have learned about basic tools of Revit software. Now we're going to create a floor plan, a simple floor plan you are seeing here, and our final output will be like that. So in this session you are going to learn a perfect and beautiful floor plan with a beautiful 3D visualization and final rendering output. So to learn that, stay with us. So first of all, what we'll do actually, we'll draw our that floor plan, and you know the magical software or work of the magical software of Revit, that it will give us a automatic 3D view like that. We no need to create any separate 3D view. It will give us automatic 3D here. So if I just go to Revit software, and you know that in our previous lecture I have created that level. Okay, that level we have created that, and if you're new here, you can watch our previous lecture. That link are given in description, or you can go to our playlist to watch our previous lecture. Now I'll just go to our ground floor here, or by clicking. Must remember, we will not create our floor plan on ceiling plan. We'll create our plan in floor plan. Okay, so I'll just double click here for ground floor, and here we'll get our ground floor level, and here I will delete our previous work to start a new work, and I will just move it here. I'll move it here because maybe this place is enough for us. I hope so actually. Okay, done. So when everything is okay, I'll just create our floor plan here. So to create floor plan, first of all, we'll start creating our boundary wall. I'll just come here and we'll draw our boundary wall. So what will be our boundary wall? In that side we'll take 40 feet, and in that side we'll take 38 feet in that direction. I'll just go here, I'll click wall, and we'll take architectural wall. Must remember that to create floor plan you have to take architectural wall. I'll just click here. Now you will see there are many all available here. Okay, many all available here. I will consider a 6-inch all. They have two generic all, and they have new all. Already I have shown you how we can create all. I'll just take that all, and from where to where I want to create. I want to create that all from our I'll just click here, height or depth. So height means our all will create in above, and depth means our all will create in bottom. So I'll take high, and here till which floor. So I want to create our that all till our first floor. Okay, from ground floor to first floor. So here our base constant will be in ground floor, and our top constant will be first floor. And see, our length will be 10 feet, because here we can see from our ground floor to our first floor total height is 1 feet 6 inches to 11 feet 6 inches. That means 10 feet total. So our total height will be, just go here, architectural wall. Our total height will be 10 feet, and our that wall will be 6 feet or 6 inches. It's okay. So when everything is okay, we are ready to create our wall. So from here I will start creating our wall. I just click here, and in that direction, what was our wall? 38, and then enter 38 feet, and in that direction how much? And must remember that here we will create chaining and joint status allow. Okay, we'll create our joint status as allow, and here it will be 40 feet almost, and in that direction 40 feet. Okay, so I'll just come here, and you can see it's giving us a line here to here, then escape. If we go to 3D, just see our 3D all have been created. Again, I'll just go here, and from here when we're ready, then we'll create our that separation, I mean at middle. Again, I'll go here, I'll create architectural all. Okay, we can take we can take our separation or separate all at middle, otherwise we can do it later. So better we can take now. So if I click here, just see this is our midpoint, and from midpoint I'll just click here, done. Okay, so we have already separated our left side and right side, and now from on side we'll start working. Okay, so here how a room will be required from that point to that point, and what is the distance of that room is, that the distance is 12 feet and half inch. So we'll consider that distance is 12 feet. 12 feet in that direction and 13 feet 3 inch in that direction. I'll take that option offset, and from offset I'll just give here the distance. So what will be the offset distance? First of all 12 feet, then enter, and just click on that wall, and see our room is here. Again I'll take a offset for 13 feet and 3 inch, enter, and take your mouse here. Okay, otherwise we can take our mouse here in that side or that side. So I'll just take our mouse, I'll click here. Okay, now by clicking here we can extend our all. We know how to extend the all. I'll just click here, or click here, just move it to here. Okay, it's done. So that room is okay, and this room is also okay. Now again I'll just go here, and this is our attached toilet. It will be automatically created, and now I'll take a line here for 6 feet, okay, for our that kitchen and common toilet. So this one will be 6 feet. Again I'll just go here, and I'll take a value here for 6 feet, and just take it here. Okay, it's done. So when it's done, I'll just go here, and in that direction also we need a distance for 7 feet and 4 feet 6 inch. 7 feet, take that one, and for that will be 7 feet, and the next one will be 4 feet 6 inch. 4 feet and 6 inch. So if you need to take offset in that side, just take mouse here, others take mouse here. It's done. And here I'll take another room. So that one will be 10 feet and 6 inch. 10 feet and 6 inch. It's done. Okay, we'll manipulate many things actually, nothing to worry about that, because here if we go for the measurement here from that point to that one, just this is 4 feet only, but we need more distance for that point, so we'll change that. We'll change that value, nothing to worry about that. And we can see that our almost that side is okay. Now we'll trim something which are not required. Okay, so before that I'll just go here, our that toilet required for 6 feet. I'll take offset here for 6 feet and 0 inch. Done. Okay, so it's okay. Now we'll trim the unnecessary wall. I'll just go here, and suppose first of all I want to delete that all. So what I'll do, I'll just click here and click here and click here. Just sorry, that all have been deleted. I'll take a single option, that one, then that all is not required also. I'll just click here, then I'll click here. It's done. Also that all is not required. I'll just click here and click here, right? And also that all is not required. So what I'll do, I'll take that option. I'll just click here and click here. Sorry. Okay. Click here and click here. Again, click here and click here. Done. Click that all and that all. Again, just come here, click that all and that all, click that all and that all. It's done. Here also we need a wall. We have deleted, just move it till here. I'll just take it, click here and click here. It's done, right? And now when we're not able to trim, suppose if I just click here and if I click here, just see the walls from that side are cutting. So what I'll do, I will skip, I will use that option, split element. Okay, split with gap or split element. So we'll split that option. I'll just go back. Actually only I need to delete that all first. Just that all, and again I need to move that all. Okay, done, right? And here if I just go, it's okay. And here also this all is not necessary, this all that are not necessary right now. So we'll remove that all also from that, I mean that one and that one. So for that I will go here, split, and simply take your mouse here and split that. Just come here, and what I can do that, we can do two things. Just simply move your all here, take it, take in that side, or we can trim it. Click here and click here, unjoint element, done. And when it's okay, now we'll simply remove that segment. Just see, so that side is almost okay, or that side is almost okay. Just we have to do something here. And also now we'll go for, I'll just click here, just see the distance is 6 feet, but we need distance from that point to that point 6 feet 6 inch. I'll just click here, I'll again click here and here. Just see, this is 5 feet and 6 inch. Simply give here 6 feet 6 inch. Just see, it will move. Okay, so it's now 6 feet 6 inch. Again I will I'll go for that line from inside to inside distance, that is 13 feet 3 inch. If I go here and if I click on that all, if I click here, or if I move that line here, so this is 13 feet 3 inch from center to center, but I need that distance from inside to inside. Just simply click here again, here, that is 12 feet and 9 inch. So I'll just give here 13 feet and 3 inch. Is done. And our that distance, or that wall or that distance, that was maybe okay, 5 feet 3 inch. But how much it will be? It will be 4 feet 6 inch. That inside value will be 4 feet 6 inch. So I'll just come here and I'll click on that all, because our that all is okay, that side all is okay. Maybe it's giving us a distance here, and here we can see that distance is 5 feet 6 inch, and the distance of that side is okay, 13 feet 6 inch and plus 3 inch plus 6 inch 9 inch. Now we'll modify that all. Okay, we'll move that all in that side little bit. So how much we need? Actually we need 4 feet 6 inch. 4 feet 6 inch, right? So for 4 feet 6 inch I will go for that value. That will be 4 feet 6 inch from inside to inside distance. I'll click on that all, and you can see our that distance is 6 feet 3 inch from center to center, because our that all and that all maybe they are not in same distance. I'll just take it here and I'll take our distance from that point to that point. I will click here. So this is, see, this is our inside outside distance. Again, this is our outside distance. So this is 5 feet 3 inch, but I need 4 feet 6 inch. So I need 4 feet and 6 in the enter. See, now it's perfect. Okay, now it's perfect. And for that side, again, I'll just go here. I'll click here, and you can see distance from, just click here, also click here. So our inside distance is 11 feet 6 inch, and how much it should be? It should be 12 feet almost. I'll just provide here 12, then enter. So it's also okay. Now I'll go for a next all here. There was 7 feet, right? So as our offset work from center to center, so offset here there are two options, geographical and numerical. So in numerical it's works 6 feet from center to center, from that point to that. I mean if we start working, it will give us a wall for center to center, but here we need 7 feet. I'll give here 7 feet. Okay, so I'll just click here. Here all have been created, but if I just click here, see, this all is 7 feet from center to center. If I click here, again here, from inside to inside distance, that is 6 feet 6 inch. So I'll just simply provide here 7, and now our all is 7 feet. If I just click here, center to center distance will be 7 feet, and for that all, that should be 4 feet 6 inch. I'll just click here, and you can see that this is 3 feet 6 inch, even center to center. What I'll do, I'll take it here, here, and here, and here. So we have to move that all, then we have to select that all also. Here 3 feet only, but our inside distance should be 4 feet 6 inch. I'll just come here, 6 inch, sorry, we can directly provide here 4.5. Done. So this is also done. Okay, in that, now we have to check out that side distance. That should be 6 feet. For that one, I'll select here, and this is 6 feet, but from center to center. I'll just click here, I'll click here, this is 5 feet 6 inch. So I'll provide here 6. That's it. So this portion is also okay. Now we need to check that room. I'll click here, and if I click here, again if I click here, from our inside to inside distance, it's giving us 8 feet 6 inch, but here we need 10 feet 6 inch. I'll come here and I'll give here 10.5, then enter. It's done. In that side and that side, we have done everything perfectly. Now I will just delete that all from here, because this all is not necessary. Here we have to provide a all from center to center. That should be 7 feet 6 inch. 7 feet 6 inch for our staircase. Okay, so what is the meaning of 7 feet 6 inch? 7 feet 6 inch means onside distance, center to center, I mean inside distance, not from inside, from center distance of that all to outside distance of that all will be half of that value, right? So 7 feet 6 inch means 3 feet 5 inch plus 6 inch. 3 feet 6 inch plus 3 inch. That means 3 feet 9 inch. I'll just come here. So from that all I'll take a offset from that all to find out our otherwise we can do another thing. I can click here and see if I just click here and from outside of that all inside distance of that all. Okay, inside distance of that all will be 3 feet and 9 inch. Enter. So it's done now. So why we have taken 3 feet and 9 inch? Because 3 feet and 3 feet means 6 feet and 9 inch plus 9 inch means 1.5. That means 7.5. So total will be 7.5 or 7 feet 6 inch. Clear? It's done. Now I'll go for trim again. Click here. I'll click here and here. Done. Okay. Again I will click here and here. Again I will click here and here. Again I will click here and here. Why I'm deleting that, you will understand now. Nothing to worry about that. Done. I'll just note that. And when everything is okay, I will select every element of that side, and I will make it mirror. Then same things will be in that side. Okay, so what I'll do here, I'll just go here for mirror. About axis, I'll take that on as axis and just see everything have been created in that side also. If I just go in 3D view, we can see the things we need, we have created that. I'll just go here and that wall we have to cut. I'll just go here for trim. I'll select that all and I'll click here. Done. Okay, almost we have done it, and also we have to trim that all also. So click here and here. I'll click here and here. See how easily we have done that. So when it's okay, now we have to come here for our balcony. You can see the shape of our balcony are not same for total area. So what I'll do here, I will just come here. I will trim that all. Okay, I'll trim that all also. I'll trim that all. I'll trim that all also. And here we have to provide a separate all, and we'll provide that when we'll draw our slab system. Okay, now here you can see here we have a circular portion, so we have to provide that circular portion here. We have a circular portion here, so I'll just click that on. I'll just click that on. This one is not required here because here it will be free. It will be free because it will be our entrance, right? It will be our entrance. So I'll just go here again. Now we have almost created the required room we need. Just go for a little bit. Okay. Now what we'll do actually, when everything is okay, we'll first of all we'll create our slab system. So to draw our slab system, I will come here, floor, then architectural floor, and here I will take a 4-inch slab thickness for that portion, and I will provide it at ground floor. Okay, provide it at ground floor, and we'll take it as a boundary line. Now we'll just come here. From on side we'll start from here to here, then from here to in that side I will take on feet 6 inch. You can provide here 1.5 meter. Then in that side I'll just go to that point. 4 feet 3 inch, it's okay. And in the total here 11 feet 9 inch. So I will take till 9 feet, and I'll provide here. Sorry. Here. I will uncheck it, and I will just take a distance from that point to that point. That is 2 feet 9 inch. So again, I'll just go here for boundary line with line, and from that point I'll click here, and in that 2 feet till 2 feet 9 inch, here 2 feet 9 inch, I'll just go to that direction, click here, and from that point it was maybe 1 feet 6 inch. So total is 10 feet 6 inch. So I'll take 9 feet, and here we're able to manipulate that later, nothing to worry about it. You see, we have created our all boundary. I will again just go here. So our everything is okay. When everything is okay, just simply click here and see, it's done. And if we go here to 3D view, you can see a slab portion have been created at bottom. Okay, it's done. Now also, if you need to modify that, we can by selecting here, we can click here. Before that, we'll see by clicking here also we can take our 4 feet 3 inch, and in that direction 1 feet 6 inch, it's okay. And also here that is 2 feet 9 inch, it's also okay. Here 2 feet 9 inch, okay. And here 1 feet 6 inch, it's okay. But in that direction our balcony is 3 feet. Here we can see our balcony is 4 feet 3 inch. Okay, so what we'll do, almost I have to I'll just skip, I will uncheck it, I'll just double click here, I'll click boundary element, and then I'll just click here for 3 feet. You know how simple it is, right? Just click here and just give here 3 feet. That's it. And then just simply click here. Okay, it's done. So very easily we can manipulate our floor system perfectly. So till that lecture, I mean in this lecture it's okay till now. In our next lecture we'll learn our further work. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next lecture. And obviously if you're new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icons. Thank you very much.